guys, I got here the Lenovo Verizon 5G millimeter wave laptop. It is the model number, what is it here? It says Lenovo Flex 5G 14Q8CX05, and it is running the Snapdragon Qualcomm SC8180 XP processor, 256 storage. Let's see here, it has an integrated GPU with a 14-inch screen, and it's running on Windows 10 Professional. Let's open this bad boy up and let's see what it's all about, guys. Okay, let's break this bad boy open. And of course, this is a Verizon Wireless exclusive laptop sold at Verizon Wireless for $13.99, guys. Crack this open. Here's our laptop. What is included here? Power cord, USB-C charger, which is nice. Alright, so they include a big box just for this bad boy right here. This is what we're waiting on. Right here, nice Lenovo. Let's get that out the way. Let's pop this open, guys. There we go. We open it up. Okay, so that's what's in the box, guys. Wow, it comes with a little case that you put it in. Nice little flip case. Let's slide her out, and there she is, guys. Look at that. Oh wow, it even comes with a little shield protector for the screen. Nice little manual. It says it's a great feeling. Thank you for purchasing. Now let's protect your investment. Let's get this out the way, and as you can see, it has the 5G Lenovo Verizon Wireless tramp stamp, but it is confirmed. Let's turn this thing on. Where the heck is the power button at? Let's see here. Wow, where in the heck is this power button at? Okay, so here on before we turn it on, here on the sides, 2 USB-C ports on this side. It has a headphone jack. Oh, here's the power button, and here's your toggle to turn it into airplane mode or to have it streaming. So let's turn it on. Let's see what it's about. Let's see here. Oh, did it come dead? Wow. This thing is dead, guys. So I'm gonna have to charge this up and I'll be back. Alright guys, we got it charged up some. Let's turn her on. Now this should boot up. You get that nice Lenovo. And let's go over the specs one more time, guys, real quick, just to keep them refreshed. So we're talking about the Qualcomm Snapdragon, what was it, 8180 XP. We're talking about 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of hard drive space. We're talking about Windows 10 Pro. It comes with voice assistant, webcam, 2 USB-C ports. It has a headphone jack, a SD SIM card tray. It has let's see what else. It comes with Microsoft Office, Personal 365 for a year subscription. It has It has 8 device built-in Wi-Fi, and you can do up to 7 devices on Bluetooth for the mobile hotspot, which is nice. You know, has mobile hotspot. It's the battery. It's a 7898 milliamp hour battery, and it weighs about 2.5 pounds. It has millimeter wave. It has sub 6 5G and all the LTE bands for every carrier. And the N bands for sub 6 includes N1, N2, N3, N5, N8, N12, N20, N28, N38, N41, N66, N71, N77, N78, N79, and then your millimeter wave of N260, N261. So let's go through some of this setup menu real quick. And of course this is on Windows 10 Professional. We don't need Wi-Fi. We are going to use for Verizon wireless internet. So I'm gonna set this stuff up, and when it boots up to the main, I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, she set up now, and I put some lo-fi music just to see how the sound is. Decent sound quality, guys. It's not too bad, and it's running on Windows 10 Professional. So we can get this opened up. So it comes with all the Microsoft apps, of course, Office and Excel, some Lenovo stuff, you know, your usual Microsoft Store, your Solitaire, your Xbox linking. You can link your Android device on this too. And other than that, guys, this is pretty much it for this laptop. Oh, and also it does have the wallpaper for Verizon millimeter wave. It is a touch screen, which is also nice, and it's also foldable into a tablet, so you can actually use this as a tablet mode, and it asks you if you want to switch it to a tablet mode. You can put yes, and then there you go. So I'm going to be testing this laptop out, and this laptop retails at Verizon Wireless for $13.99. So let's see what $13.99 gets you. Remember, guys, check out all the descriptions, all the links to the descriptions down below. If you've been lurking on the channel, you might as well just subscribe. You're already wasting your time. And hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload content. Alright guys, have a great day. We'll catch you in the next one.